Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to launch Farming Simulator 25 game from Xbox app, or if you are unable to launch it from Microsoft Store, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Let me close the game. So the steps are applicable for Game Pass users. So if you have the game on Xbox app and store, then you can follow the step. Now the first step is to launch the game from the game installation folder. Now for this you can go to Xbox app, select your game over here, and then once you select the game, make a right click on the game and click on manage, or you can click on these three dots over here. Click on these three dots and then you can go to manage and then go to files and then click on browse over here. This will take you to the game installation folder. Here you can see the game installation folder. Open this folder, open content folder. Over here you can see game launch helper. Make a right click on game launch helper and then run as administrator. Click on yes to allow and check. If this does not work, let me quit. Still not working, then end gamingservices.exe in task manager. So go to the start menu, make a right click on the start menu and then go to task manager. Now over here, go to the details tab, maximize this task manager, and here you can see the details tab. Click on it and then find gamingservices.exe. Here you can see gamingservices.exe. Make a right click on gamingservices.exe and then click on end task and then click on end process, and just wait for a couple of seconds. gamingservices.exe will be back. So here you can see it is back. Once this is back, now you can launch the game. Now if gamingservices.exe is not back, still you can launch the game and then you can check. Now still not working. In that case you can delete the shader cache folder. You can create a backup first and then you can delete this folder, or you can rename this folder. Now for this, open File Explorer in computer, go to the PC, open C drive. Now open users folder. Now open your username folder. Now open app data folder. If you don't see app data at the top, click on view, select show, put a check on hidden items and then open app data folder. Open the local folder. Now open the packages folder. And over here you will see Giant Software Farming Simulator 25 PC. Open this folder. Now open local state folder. Go back. Open this local cache folder and then open the local folder. Over here you can see shader cache folder. You can just copy this folder, create a backup first. Now once you copy this folder, you can go to desktop, maybe just create a backup, save it to desktop. Once you have a backup created, now you can delete this shader cache folder. Make a right click and you can delete it, or you can even rename this folder and then you can check. And then you have to relaunch the game and then check. Still not working. The next step is to change D3 D11 value to D3 D11 or D3 D10. You have to change this value. Now for this you can go to the same location, and then open the go back, local, and then over here you can see this game.xml file. Make a right click and then open with notepad, and over here you can search for renderer option. So here you can see renderer D3D_12, so you can change it to 11 and then you can click on file, save, and then you can launch the game and then check. Still not working. In that case you can even try this D3D_11 to 10 and then you can click on file, click on save, and then you can launch the game and then check which one is working fine for you. You can check. Let me close. Now still not working. In that case you can delete the game.xml file, create a backup first. So again go to the same location, and here you can see this game.xml file. You can copy this file and then you can paste it to the desktop. Just create a backup. Now once you have a backup created, now you can delete it or you can rename it. Make a right click, you can delete it or you can even rename it. I will just delete it, and you already have a backup. If you face any problem you can always put the file back. So now you can launch the game and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to delete local folder in local cache folder, create a backup first. Again, go to the same location. This is the location. And then go back over here. And then here you can see under this local cache, you will see this local. So create a backup first. And then you can paste it to the desktop. Just create a backup. And then you can rename this folder or you can delete it. Either rename it or delete it. I will just rename it now. You already have our original folder, so whenever if you face any problem, you can just replace the folder. Now you can launch the game and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run gaming services repair tool. Now for this, you can go to Xbox app. Let me close the game. Go to Xbox app. At the top left, you will see your profile. I can click on it and then go to support option and then click on gaming services repair tool and then click on start repairing. Click on yes to allow. Now this process will take some time, and once you see done, once it is complete, you can close this. Now you can launch the game and again you can check. Still not working. Unplug external devices. So if you have any external devices which you're not using, disconnect all the external devices which you're not using. Disconnect all additional, sometimes we have extra USB adapter connected to the computer which we are not using, disconnected. Disconnect extra controller connected to the computer. Sometimes we have a dongle connected, disconnected. Disconnect multiple monitor. Try launching the game on single monitor. If you have any third-party services or application running, you can close all the third-party application services. Close all the overlay application. Like if you have Discord running, go to Discord settings, turn off overlay. If you have Nvidia app running, you can go to Nvidia app overlay settings and then turn off Nvidia overlay. So close all the overlay application and then check. Do not overclock. If you have overclocked your computer, set it to default and then close all the set overclocking to default and then close all the overclocking application. Like if you have MSI, Afterburner, Reva Tuner, close everything. Close online storage. Like if you have OneDrive, Google Drive running, you can just close it. If you're using OneDrive, make sure that you're logged in. Perform clean boot. Now for this, type in system configuration in Windows search box, go to system configuration, go to the services tab and then put a check on the box which says hide all Microsoft services and then click on disable all. In my case, this is grayed out. In your case, this would be highlighted. I already did it. So click on disable all, make sure this is checked first and then disable all and then hit apply, click on OK. You will see a restart option, restart your computer and then launch the game. Also, if you're undervolted your computer, remove the undervolt and then launch the game. Next step is to simply restart your computer once. After the system restart, launch the game and then check. Next step is to perform a clean installation of your graphics card driver. So if you have Nvidia card, go to Nvidia website. If you have AMD card, go to AMD website. I'm showing for Nvidia. So go to Nvidia website, select your graphic card from the list. Make sure that you select your graphic card, your operating system, and then click on find. And on this page, the very first driver will be the latest one, GeForce Game Ready driver. Right now it's 580.88. Whichever is the latest, click on view and then download that file. Click on download. And once the download is complete, you can run this exe file. So run this exe file. When you run this exe file, you will see yes, click on yes to allow and then click on OK and then you will see this screen and then you will see agree and continue. You have to click on agree and continue and then select custom option over here and then click on next and then put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation. Make sure that you put a check over here and then click on next. After the clean installation, restart your computer. Restart your must after this. After the system restart, launch the game and then check. Still not working. Now AMD users, first of all, uninstall the current graphic card driver, restart your computer, go to AMD website, select your graphic card and then install the latest one and then restart your computer. Next step is to run the game on dedicated graphic card. Now for this, type in graphics settings in Windows search box and then click on graphics settings over here. Now click on add Microsoft Store app and then find the game in the list. Once you find the game, click on the game over here and once the game is added over here, click on the game and then for GPU preference, set it to high performance. You will see your graphic card. Now you can launch the game and then check. Next step is to verify and repair the game. Now for this, go to Xbox app, click on the three dots over here, manage, and then go to files and then click on verify and repair. Click on yes and let the verify complete. This may take some time. It may take maybe a minute. Now once done, now you can launch the game and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to create a desktop shortcut and launch the game as an administrator using the desktop shortcut. Now for this, you can go to Xbox app, click on these three dots and then click on manage, and then under general tab you will see create desktop shortcut. So click on it. Now once you click on it, you can go to desktop and you will see the shortcut over here. In my case, the game is launching. Let me close the game first. And then go to desktop, make a right click on the desktop shortcut, and then you have to click on run as administrator. Click on it, and then you can launch the game. Click on yes to allow, and then launch the game. Let me quit the game. Okay. Now, still not working. The next step is to repair or reset the game. To repair or reset the game, open Windows settings, go to apps, and then go to install apps, and find the game in the list. So you can scroll down and find the game in the list. Once you find the game, over here you can see the game, click on these three dots and then go to advanced option. Scroll down, first of all click on terminate over here and then click on repair. And once the repair is done, now you can launch the game and then check. If that does not work, you can click on reset, and once the reset is done, now you can launch the game. After the reset, if you see the install button, in that case you can close the Xbox app, make a right click, quit over here, and then relaunch Xbox app, and then you can launch the game once again and then check. So let me close the game. Now the next step is to install Visual C++ file. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here you can see Visual Studio files. You have to download this x86 and x64. You have to install both the file. So download both the file. Run this exe file. Now if you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see the install button, hit install. Now again download this file and run this exe file. Again, if you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see the install button, hit install, and make sure both the files are installed. Once installed, restart your computer. Restart is a must after this, and after the system restart, launch the game. Still not working. The next step is to update the BIOS. So go to your system manufacturer website, select your model number, and then find the latest BIOS and update your BIOS. In case of laptop, make sure battery is more than 10% and the AC adapter is connected to the computer when you update the system BIOS. After the BIOS update, log into the computer and then launch the game. Next step is to delete Microsoft Store LocalCache file. Now for this, you can open File Explorer, go to this PC, open C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, open app data folder, open local folder, open packages folder. Now find Microsoft Windows Store. So scroll down. So here you can see Microsoft Windows Store _ some alphanumeric character. Open this folder. Here you can see local cache folder. Make a right click and delete it. Now you have to relaunch Xbox app or Microsoft Store. Then you have to relaunch the game. Next step is to log in with same account on Xbox app and Microsoft Store. So go to Microsoft Store. At the top right, you will see a profile icon. Click on it. In my case, I'm already logged out. I don't know why. So if you're logged out, you can just log in with the correct account which has the game or Game Pass. So if you're already logged in, then click on the profile icon at the top right over here. Come on. Microsoft Store is giving me a hard time. Let me close this and then relaunch Microsoft Store. Top right, click on your profile icon, then click on sign out. If you're already logged in, then click on sign in. Select the right account which has the game or which has the Game Pass. It has to be a right account. Once you're logged in, now go to Xbox app, top left, click on your profile icon, click on sign out, and then click on sign in. And you have to select the same account which you have selected in Microsoft Store which has the game or Game Pass. And once you're logged in, now you can launch the game and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to make sure date, time zone is correct in your computer. So at the bottom right here you can see the date and time. Make a right click on date and time, click on adjust date and time. Make sure set time zone automatically is on. Also make sure set time automatically is on, and then click on sync now. Sync now is important. If you see an error in red, just click on sync now multiple times. Once it is done, go to time and language and region, and make sure your country is selected over here. Select your country and then relaunch the game. Still not working. The next step is to install all updates in Microsoft Store. So go to Microsoft Store, bottom left you will see download option, go to downloads and then click on check for update, and then you will see update all options. So click on update all. Once everything is updated, now you can launch the game. Next step is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings, go to Windows update or update and security, click on check for update. Once all the updates are installed, you have to install all the updates and then restart your computer and then launch the game. Next step is to run ws reset command. So type in ws reset in Windows search box, click on ws reset. This will reopen Microsoft Store and then try to relaunch the game. Next step is to repair or reset Xbox app and store. So type in Xbox app, make a right click on Xbox app and then click on app settings. Now on this screen, scroll down and then first of all click on terminate, and then you can click on repair, and after the repair open Xbox app and then launch the game. If that does not work, click on reset, and after the reset you can open the Xbox app and then you can launch the game. Do the same thing with store if that does not fix the problem. So type in store, make a right click, app settings. Again, first of all click on terminate, then click on repair, and after the repair open store and then check. If that does not work, in that case you can reset also. So after repair you can check. If that does not work, you can even perform reset, and after the reset you can open Microsoft Store and then you can check. So try to open store once again and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run this command. This command is provided in the video description. So copy this command, type in PowerShell in Windows search box and make a right click on Windows PowerShell and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you open PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow and then paste the command on PowerShell window. So paste the command over here and then hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time, and during this process you will see some errors in red color. So if you see these errors, just ignore it. This will reinstall all the Windows default apps, and once this is done you will see everything red. You can close this and then you can relaunch store or Xbox app and then launch the game. Next step is to start all these services. Type in services in Windows search box and then click on services over here, and then find IP helper in the list. Make a double click on IP helper, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Now find Xbox services. At the bottom here you can see 4 Xbox services. Make a double click on each one of them one by one and then set the startup type to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Again set it to automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Again set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. Again automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Now find Windows Update, make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Now find Gaming Services, make sure Gaming Services are running, make a right click, then click on start or restart. Make a right click, click on start or restart. Now find Microsoft Store install service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start or restart, click on start if highlighted, and now you can check. Still not working. The next step is to install Xbox identity provider. Now for this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Click on download now and then open Microsoft Store. If gaming services is not installed, you will see install button, maybe get option or maybe update option. So if you see update install, just install it. And in my case it is already installed, that's why it says installed and it's grayed out, so no need to do anything. Now next step is to uninstall and reinstall gaming services. So copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Then type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you open this as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. paste the command, hit the enter key. This will uninstall gaming services from your computer. Once uninstall, now copy the second command. This command is also provided in the video description. Copy this and then paste it on the same window and then hit the enter key. This will open Microsoft Store. You will see get option or maybe install option to install gaming services. Click on yes to allow and let the gaming services be installed. And once the gaming services is installed, now you can launch the game and then check. This may take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to install it. And once installed, here you can see installing. Once installed, launch the game and then check. Still not working. The next step is to uninstall and reinstall the game to a different drive. So if nothing is working, you can go to Xbox app. And then click on your profile icon, go to settings and then go to install options. Now over here, if the game is installed to C drive, then you can try different drive. If you have any different drive like D drive or E drive, and then you can check. If the game is already installing to different drive, you can try C drive. So select C drive and then try to reinstall the game and then check. And you can even do this in settings, go to system, go to storage, advanced storage settings, where new content is saved. New apps will save to. You can select if it is installing to different drive, D drive or E drive, select C drive, click on save, install it, reinstall the game and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to launch this game successfully from Xbox app or Microsoft Store on your Windows computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.